Hello viewers, today we will discuss the document management. So D365 CRM platform provides a capability to store and collaborate on documents within the CRM systems. So in this session, we will discuss some key aspects of the document management. So in this roadmap, we are looking in a fifth video or fifth session on a end user track. Refer to the video description for the playlist and the related informations. Thanks for your subscriptions. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so what are the topics today? So we are going to discuss some introduction to the document management, and then we are going to discuss document location, version control, and how security and permission works within the systems. In many cases, our customers may have documents like a sales proposals, contracts, invoice, receipts, and some compliance and regulations documents. It's always store them the document to the relevant record, either the account or a contact or a lead, something. And also, it's the best practice to store them the document in the document repositories like a SharePoint and OneDrive, so that we can able to leverage their features. And very importantly, right, when you're opening an account record and then when you go to that specific record, and then you should be able to see all the associate documents on that record. We can associate the document on a single record. So what it means, when you go to account or a contact on a specific record, we can able to add a document to the specific record or the table or the record. And also basically we can able to add a multiple location. So in this image, you can able to say it, I have a two document location. One is a general document and another one is a sales. So in a SharePoint, which we able to see that this is the Datum Corporation is an account, and then you can able to see that two folders. One it created for a sales, another one is created for the general document. So now we like that we can able to create a multiple document location, like a contract or invoice, receipts like that. Now we can able to create them now or multiple document locations. And also it's a two-way. What it means, when you add a document in CRM, it should show them in SharePoint or OneDrive based on your configuration. And when you add a document in SharePoint or OneDrive, and then it should show them in a CRM. So it's a two-way thing. The version control, we can able to use the normal version control, check in, check out, right? The normal version control to make sure now only one user able to update at any given point of time, right? So those are the version thing we can able to do it within the CRM system itself. Okay. And then when it comes to the security, when say for example with the document stored in a SharePoint, that document folder, if the user does not have a permissions for that site, you should not show them in a CRM itself. So it takes care of the complete security and permissions. Take care of either the OneDrive or a SharePoint. It takes care of that permissions and securities. Okay, so now let's go to the CRM systems. And then now if you go to the specific account, so in this case I'm in an account, you can able to attach document for any one of the tables. So it's all, once it's configured, it's a one-time setup. Once it's configured, and then we should be able to go to that account record and then go to related and then documents. So once you have this one, and then we should be able to upload the document. So for example, you uncheck it here, you can able to upload the document from your local drive. Okay. And also we are talking about the document location. So in this cases, I have two document location, general document and then sales. This is the two document locations. If you open this one, basically it opens in SharePoint because these documents are stored in a SharePoint. So in this case, I have sales location. So in this case, I'm going to say sales. I have only one file. In this case, only one Excel file. I have this one, and then that's what it's stored in this location. Basically, it creates a folder structure document library for each table. So I'll go to site collection, site content. We should be able to see that now folders for each table or entity. Okay, in this case, an account, right? And then if you go to account, and then I should be able to see each one should be having a one folder, but in this case I have a two document locations. In this case, general document and then sales. So that's the reason I have a two folders here. Say for example, I can able to upload another, go to another account, and then I'm going to the documents. I'm just going to upload the document, and then you should be able to see it in another folder for all fine. So let's open it, just, just any document. Okay, so now if I open this document location, or if you go to SharePoint here, so this creates another folder, right? So this folder it's a general one, right? In this case, what I have this one, it's called the one main folder or default folder. But you can able to create another location. So I can able to create another location. It will create an Alpine ski house with another location. So you can able to create a multiple location for a single record. Okay, as I said, the one for a contract, invoice, like that you can able to create it. And also, you can able to create a folder within this one. Say for example, here I'll go back to the data corporations, and then I go to the documents, and then it should be, I already created a folder called contracts. So this one is a contracts, a folder. uh, so document location is different from the folder here. Okay, so how it's going to look like here, right? So in this case, I have a general document and then contract. So I'm going back here. So this is a general document, and then I should be able to see the contract here. So how the structure wise, each table, in this case account or contact, lead, each one have a own document library, and each account has a own folder, and also the default one. And then if you created a different document location, you should be able to see that in another folder. Within the folder, we should be able to create another folder here, new, and then the folder. So this folder is basically, even though I'm in one location, say for example, I'm in general document location, and then I should be creating in a contract one. Okay, so now we are able to store them in the document in a different location. And the next one is version control. So when you click on any document, basically we are able to check out normal versioning thing, right? So that it should be able to see that history of who updated, when it's updated, what content updated, kind of full history, and then you can revert back to the previous one. It's a normal SharePoint or OneDrive version control thing. And finally, security things, basically. Say for example, in this account is in the style information, it's one of the account has a permissions to view this record. And then I have another account, which in this case it's Alex. Okay, Alex does not have an permissions for the SharePoint, so the document should not show them here. Okay, so to verify that one, just go to that systems, go to the CRM systems, and then if you look at here is a member is only one member. Okay, so it means the another user, Alex, does not have permissions to view the document. What we discussed today, that's all for today. So we discussed the SharePoint integration, or no, today we discussed that, but the integration can be happen either OneDrive or a SharePoint, both is possible. And then we can able to create a multiple locations for a single record. Now for say in this case, Datum Corporation, so one record, we can able to create a multiple locations. And then within the location, we can able to create a folder as well. Okay. And then normal versioning control, we are able to do that. And then security, when you have a permissions, now we are able to access those records, the documents within the CRM system itself. The same token, when the user does not have a permissions in a SharePoint or a folder or OneDrive, they should not be able to access it as well. Okay, so how it looks like our roadmap. We discussed our doc management. The next one is it's a dashboard management. Okay, thanks for watching. Enjoy the learning. See you on the next video.